Hello dear friend. In this video, I will teach you how to solve this question from pair of linear equation in two variable, chapter number 3 of class 10, exercise 3.2, question number 3. Okay. Now, what is given? The coach of cricket team. Coach of cricket team buys 7 bat. How much bet? 7 bat. And 6 ball for 3,800 rupees. Later, she buys 3 bat and 5 balls for rupees 1,750 rupees. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. Okay. Now see, we have to assume the cost of one bat. So we write let the cost of a ball or a bat be X rupees and the cost of a ball be Y rupees. Then 7 bat, 7 plus 6 ball, 6 is equal to how much? 3,800 rupees. Now, we have assumed bat is equal to, the cost of bat is equal to X rupees. So, here it becomes 7X, 7X plus 6 Y is equal to 3800. This is my equation number 1. And you assume what is the equation number 2? Okay, the equation number 2 is 3x plus 5y is equal to 1750. What? 3x, 3 bat means 3x plus 5y is equal to 1750. Okay, this is my equation number 2. बट हमको तो इसको सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड से ही करना है. बुक के अंदर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 यही है. ओके, सो वी हैव टू डू बाय यूजिंग सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड? वी हैव टू सब्स्टिट्यूट अ वैल्यू ऑफ x और y in another equation. Now from equation number 2 we derive 3x is equal to what? 3x is equal to 1750 minus 5y. Okay, this positive 5y when change direction to here it becomes negative. Now what is the value of x? Value of x become, okay, from this we can write the value of x. X is equal to what? 1750 minus 5y divided by 3. Okay, now putting this value in equation number 1. This is our equation number 1. 7x plus 6y. Okay, so क्या है equation number 1? 7x plus 6y. 7x or equation is 7x plus 6y is equal to 3800. Okay, putting the value of x, so it becomes 7 into 1750 minus 5y divided by 3 plus 6y is equal to 3800. Now solving this equation we have 7 into 1750. What? 1750 into 7. So 0, 5, 7 5 is 35, then 5, 3 here, 7 7 is 49, 49, 50, 51, 52. So 2 here and 5 here. 7 1 is 7 plus 5, 12. So our answer is 12250. Okay. For what? 7 into 1750. Okay, so we write here from this Okay, is equal to not therefore. Therefore 1 2 2 5 0 minus 7 5 is 35. 35y divide by what? 3 plus 6y plus 6y is equal to 3800. Okay. Now putting this, solving this question, what we have? We have one 3 here in division. So we have to take LCM. Here we have 1. We have to multiply this. LCM is equal to what? 1 and 3? 3. So we have to multiply 3 with 1 and 1 with 3. So we have 12250 minus 35y plus 6 3 are 18 y divided by 3 is equal to 3800. Okay. Now these 3 here in division, when we change this direction, it becomes in multiplication. Okay. So we have 12250. Therefore we have 12250 minus how much? 35 plus 18. Minus 35 plus 18. Okay. So it becomes how much? 17. How much? 17. And y, okay, is equal to 3800 into 3. Now multiplying 38 with 3. 38 into 3. 8 is a 24. 4 here, 2 here. 3 is a 9, 10, 11. It becomes 114. Okay. So we can write 12250 minus 17y is equal to 114 and 00. Okay. So now we have 17y. What? Therefore we have minus 17y is equal to 11400 minus. Okay. This 12250 changes position. If positive, number become negative. So it becomes 12250. Okay. Now see, एग्जाम एक ही बार आती है और हमको किसी भी स्टेप पे कोई भी गड़बड़ नहीं करनी है. ओके. तो क्या करेंगे हम इसको ठीक से माइनस करेंगे. बिगर नंबर कौन सा है? 12250. ये हमारा बिगर नंबर है, तो हमने लिख दिया यहाँ पे बिगर नंबर 12250 minus 11400. Okay. So 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus nothing means 5. 2 minus 4 not possible, so we have to take 1 here. Okay, so it becomes 12. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 0. So minus 17y is equal to minus. Why? Because bigger number is negative. So minus 850. So y is equal to what? Y is equal to minus 85 into 10 divided by 17. How? Minus 17. माइनस से माइनस तो कट हो गया. अब बचा क्या? अब बचा 85 डिवाइड बाय y इज इक्वल टू 85 डिवाइड बाय 10 डिवाइड बाय 17. 17 5 is 85. So y is equal to 5 times 50. So we have the value of y. Now what is the value of x? Value of x, we find value of x when we put here in this equation. Okay, which equation? X is equal to 1750 minus 5y divided by 3. Okay, 1750. Okay, 1750 divided by x is equal to what? Here we have x is equal to, what? We have x is equal to 1750 minus minus how much? minus 5y divided by 3. 5y, 5 times y, 5 times y divided by 3. Okay. So our value is become x is equal to 1750 minus 5 into 50. How much? 50 divided by 3. Okay. Now x is equal to 1750 minus 5 5 is 25 and 10 divided by 3. See, 1750 minus 250 0 0. Okay, 0 5 minus 5 0 7 minus 2, this is 5, 1 minus nothing 1. So our answer is 1500 divided by 3. 5 3 the 15 and 500 3 the 1500. So what is the value of x? 500 rupees. What is the value of y? 50 rupees. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन आपको पूछ सकते हैं, बेसिक में भी पूछ सकते हैं, स्टैंडर्ड में भी पूछ सकते हैं. तो अगर चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट कीजिए. ओके, थैंक यू.